going on, man? I gotta get you on here. You looking too clean, man.
I'm just checking you out on YouTube.
Hey, man, tell me a little something about this thing.
55 Bel Air. I went to Florida to race Gone Hollywood, this Carlos, you know what it is?
Oh.
55 Bel Air. I couldn't get no love 2 years ago. I'm back.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm coming to Florida. Here my brother is. We coming to Florida. We
hunting. Hey, this thing sound healthy, man.
Hey, what you do in the favor? See that blue car want to run us tonight. That blue Camaro back there.
That blue Camaro, y'all want to play with him?
Yeah, he can use his turbo if we're going to run a motor. Yeah, we're going to run a motor.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Yeah. 1 mile, 1,000, kid. Let's do it now. Let's go.
Oh, I like that. No party scared. No party scared. Yes, sir. We got another grudge race. Another grudge race now. Hey, man, it's lit out here.
You got that going, did you?
Hey, real quick with it. Real quick with it. Yes, sir. Another grudge race. Another grudge. Hey, I just went and hollered. Y'all, man. Yes, sir. Make shit happen. Grudge race, grudge race. What I tell you on how they racing?
They want a full tree, quarter mile with no time.
Indeed, yes sir, yes sir. It's on and popping, man. GoPro set up. Who y'all like? Who y'all like? Which one? Which one? Gotta give me an answer, man. Okay, yes sir, yes sir. That must be the shop, man. Info and everything in there.
Hey, come on, hit them out.
You know some. Yes, sir. I might have to slap mine. The other one on there. Oh, what up, man? What's going on, bro? Grudge race, grudge race. Hell yeah. That bitch sound healthy. Woo, shit. That motherfucker sounds so healthy. I guess I'll get the Camaro size. I got the oh shit. Who you like? They ready to bat. Everybody over there ready to bat. I don't know nothing about neither one. I know. That's how they jam this down when you lose a little bit. That GoPro battery low. I hope that motherfucker say good. Talk that talk.
Wait till I turn that shit on.
Talk that talk.
Yeah, it's Carlos, D-Town, baby. D-Town, baby. I'm looking for them big wheel boys.
Ooh-wee.
I'm just gonna work my way from the bottom to the top.
Yes, sir.
Who's that I got hooked with? That California? Where's he from?
I don't even know, but he boosted. He boosted.
He boosted?
Yeah, twin turbo.
You lying.
Twin turbo.
Motor to motor.
Twin turbo. When you watch the video, I'm gonna put both of them on there. Twin turbos.
Hey, I'm Carlos, man. HTI Auto, Dallas, Texas.
Where they can find you at, man?
403 Northampton Road in DeSoto, Texas, right outside Dallas. HTI Auto, black owned, black operated, baby.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that. Good job, man, on that race. Appreciate that, man. 100.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I finally got a chance to see that.
Man, hey, he just did his thing, man. Wait till y'all. Woo, wee.
Yeah, Hollywood. Carlos, say hello.
Tell him again.
Hey, Hollywood, I miss you.
Ooh, wee.
Macho, I'm gonna get you.
Oh,
Macho, I need to see you. You know what it is?
you on them all.
They already know me.
Oh,
Macho,
man. Look at the interior, y'all. Yes, sir. 55. In here, full interior on the wheels, man. Look, man. He out here for blood. He say he back. He say he back. Y'all seen the back deck, the interior. Your boy losing his voice out here, man, but the grind don't stop, man. I'm out here getting this footage for y'all, man, all the way. Y'all know all the time, man. I love the support and everything, man. Yes, sir. He out here, man. I think you about the first 55 I seen on this race tip.
Already. I just want to be a part of the fun.
Yes, sir.
Black on the black situation.
Indeed, indeed, man. Hey, you did your thing, man. Yes, sir. All right.